Konnichiwa minasan, and welcome back to another video. So today I have a wonderful surprise for you. So we're going to harvest our potatoes, or Irish potatoes, and I am very excited. I'm curious as to how big they got. Yeah, because I planted some last year and it wasn't bad. Yeah, it was literally my first time growing potatoes in a container, and it wasn't bad. I mean, they were all small, so I kind of changed the technique this year, so I'm curious to see how they turn out. So guys, I hope you are excited as I am. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just get a few things prepared and then I'll just show you how I'm going to do it. So stay tuned. And we're back. So I got the things prepared. I got some plastic and some cardboard. I have limited space because I decided to turn my backyard into a garden, and I can assure you guys I am the only one. Only my backyard alone look like this. Everyone's just regular, besides those people down there, they have a little thing going on, but me, some would say this is an overkill, but yeah, that is the main reason as to why I don't have space. So I have to be improvising in these confined spaces. And yes, and it's summertime in Japan, and right now it's after 5 now, because today was very hot. It was so hot. It was like 35 degrees. So like 35 degrees, and that was brutal. If I shouldn't try to do anything, but yeah, that's 35 is over 100 degrees. So yeah, so I set up this space. I got one of the bags, the grow bags, and the other 3 is over there. No, 4 actually. So I am surprised to see how much potatoes I get today. So yeah, so let's see. And as you can see from my last video where I was mulching the rice trash, and guys, I have something cool to show you, like if for example this. So check this out. If you have not already known what this is rice. Like, I am stoked. Like, I am so fascinated, because you know, this is Japan. They plant a lot of rice. They eat rice. Rice is the main staple. So people add this in their farms, you know, to break down and add nutrients and, you know, aerate the soil. A lot of benefits, but some of the germs, yeah, I think that's what they're called, the part that grows, the germ. So yeah, the germ of the rice. So, you know, some of them will end up in this. So I see a bunch of these growing, and I am wondering if I should just pluck all of these and just put them in a separate pot by themselves and just grow. I don't know, but I might just do that. What do you think? I might just do that for another video. That should be so cool. But yeah, so I decided to share my enthusiasm with you. Yeah, that's the word, right? Enthusiasm. Yeah. So I'm going to try and let me stick this back somewhere so it can grow. Yeah, guys, I might just run with that idea of just planting them in a separate pot and just see if I can grow rice. Yeah, probably the first Jamaican to grow rice. I don't know. But ooh, I feel a big one. Oh, let's see. Oh, wow, guys, you just can't imagine. You can't. I know you can't see my enthusiasm or you can see my excitement, but wow, God, I'm so excited. So yeah, I need to set up the camera and harvest these potatoes, you know. Yeah, just drop this one in the box here, and yeah, let's do the do. Yes, guys, so it's getting a bit dark now, so I'm going to hurry it along. Pretty glad I'm finished and all in a day's work. Yeah, this is probably the biggest. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest. But I mean, I'm still glad. Still have a few that I can use to make, you know, maybe make mashed potatoes or just make French fries, you know. But yeah, I'm so happy with what I think. I think I might what? I think this is more than last year. I would have to look at a picture to really. I know you probably can't see like the full. I probably have to spread it out or so, but you get the idea that this is a lot of potatoes, man. And look at that, free potatoes right from my backyard, and you can do it too. So yes, I guess this concludes the end of another video. So thank you guys for watching. I'm truly grateful for all the viewers that watch and subscribe and leave a comment and like the videos. I'm truly happy about that. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't be afraid to drop a comment. Whenever you drop a comment, it makes me happy. So that, and it also makes me know that I'm doing a good job. So don't hesitate to leave a comment. So thank you again, and see you in the next one. Bye.